So hey guys, welcome back. So in this lecture I am going to create a new Maven project in the IntelliJ. We have successfully downloaded and installed the IntelliJ on our local system. So now we are going to create a project that will be the Maven project, and then we will see how the Maven project structure will work. So to create a Maven project using the IntelliJ first time, you will see this screen is there. Okay, and after that you can see the new project option is there, and if you are going to create a new project you need to select this one. If you already have a Maven project you can select this option, and if your Maven project is in the version control system like GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, so you can select these options. Now if we come, so we are going to create a new project, so I'm just going to click on it. So when I click on the plus sign, after that I will see the new project screen is there. So in that screen you will see it is asking the name of the project. So I'm just going to write the test SonarQube because we are going to create a Maven project for the SonarQube, and the location will be this. So you can select the locations. You just create a folder in your local system, and then you can select the locations for your Maven project. Create Git repository. So we are not going to create a Git repository, so you can leave it as a blank. Build systems. So you can see the three options are there: IntelliJ, Maven, and Gradle. So if we are creating a simple Java application, so Java program, you can select the IntelliJ as a build systems. If you're trying to create a Maven project, so you just select the Maven. And if you want a Gradle project, then you can select the Gradle. So our requirement is the Maven project, so we just select the Maven. Now coming to the JDK version, so I have installed the Windows Java 17 on my local system, so I will select the 17 as a registered JDK. And if you want to check, I just go to the CMD, and in the CMD you just type the one command Java hyphen version, and then you will see the Java version which is installed in a local system. So I have opened JDK 17 which is installed on my local system, so that's why it is showing the Java 17. If you have installed the 1.8, it will see the 1.8. So I am just going to select the register JDK as a default JDK because I have set up this JDK on my machine. That's why I can see this JDK is installed on my system. So you can install the JDK version on your systems, and then you will see the JDK version here, and you just select that and add the sample code. And if you don't want the sample code, you just generate the code with the onboarding tips. Now the advanced settings, so you just leave it as a blank. Now just click on the create. So now it is going to create a test SonarQube project for me. So here you can see it is loading the indexes. So you have to wait 1 or 2 minutes so that your project is getting created for you, and it is saving the settings for that project, and some processing will be going on in the background. So you need to wait for some time. And now you can see the project structure is created. So it is just loading, and main.java, the default Java file is here, pom.xml, the default pom.xml file also there. So this is the basically you can see the Maven project pom.xml file. So now I can see the structure of the Maven project. So you can see the SRC is there. Okay, so here you can see the SRC main Java structure is there, and SRC test, and you will see the Java structure is there. So the Maven structure, in the Maven main Java, we will write the Java code, and in the test Java, we will write the test script for our test cases. Okay, so in the main.java, we already have some sample code, and that sample code we are going to execute, and we will see the output for that. Okay, so I'm just going to remove the debug mode, and now let's run. So if you want to run this program, so you just see the green button is there next to the current file. So you click on the green symbol is there, and then it will start building the project first, and then it will execute the project. So meanwhile we'll go to the pom.xml file. So you can see the pom.xml file is there. So Maven compiler target and the build source file is there. So now this is not the complete pom.xml file, like this is the some demo purpose. So if you're working with the automations, and if you're working with the Java project, you need to set up the complete pom.xml file according to your project requirement. Alright, so we have executed this program, hello and welcome I, and if you see the program is there, system.out.println. So hello and print welcome. So now the I value it is getting printed. That means our program is correct. So now So we have created the one Maven project in our IntelliJ IDE first time. So now if you click on this one, your project structure will go on. If you click on this one, your project structure will come. Now coming to this, so if you want to see the Maven commands, okay, so on the right side you will see the M is there. You click on this one, then you will see the profile and the test SonarQube. Your project name is there. So when you expand this one, you will see the life cycle and the plugins and the repository. So if you see all the Maven life cycles, you can see here. So which one you want clean install. So if you run the clean install, you select the clean and the install, and you just click on this symbol, and it will start clean and install program here. So the command will be executing here. Now this side, if you see the building the test SonarQube snapshot, okay, this is going to build, and the clean and install is still going on. So you can see that. Alright, so the clean and the install build is successful. So you can see the build. So we have successfully built our project. So like that, you can select the Maven lifecycle according to your requirement, clean and the verify, clean the package and the test, and compile, and then you just click on the run. And if you want to refresh the Maven project, you select this one and click on this one, refresh the Maven project.